Hey followers, so today I'm going to be reviewing these. Insta-filter by Revlon, and it's makeup sticks. So I really love makeup sticks because it's easy, it's fast, it's big on time. So these are perfect for not wasting time. I have a daughter, so you got to do things fastly. So let's get right into it. So this is hard to open. I knew from the first time I used it that I kept on wondering how did I use this, but you roll this at the bottom and get a lot out, and I wash this sponge in. So it matches perfectly with my color. And I already put on my primer. This matches perfectly. So the first time I used this, like I said, I had trouble like knowing what to do with it. I couldn't figure out how it worked. So, but once I figured it out, it works perfectly. So I bought two. This matches perfectly. But I bought two. I bought this color as well. But I'm not going to use this color because I'm not doing that type of makeup today. I'm not doing a nighttime look for going out clubbing. What I'm going to do is put on some blush. This is not my blush again. Okay. And I'm going to put my face. Is by MAC. It's called Naturally Transformed. My camera's not focusing. But yeah, you get the drift. It's a natural look, and I love it just because of how dark it is. So I hope that you liked it, and I'm gonna show you one more time how this looks. And like I said, it's Insta-filter, and it's a 320 True Beige. So yes, I'm a fan of these sticks. Like I said, it's easy to put on. It's fast. It's time manageable. It's life. It's the modern way of living. All right. Well, thank you. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.